Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Wireless Smart Trolley using RFID and Zigbee. So Arduino shopping cart with add and delete items. So in this project we are using an Arduino Uno R3 and EM18 RFID module 125 kHz frequency. So here we are using 4 RFID cards. So different items. So Zigbee transmitter to send the data to final destination, billing section, final switch button, 16 cross to LCD display. Those are connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7. So and set increment. So if you are scan the item, you can increment the number of items. Then finally you can give set, then the items will be added. So Zigbee receiver that should be connected to the hyper terminal. So here we are using Flash Magic software. In that software we are going to display the items. There is no items. Okay, so let us coming into the hardware part. So here bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED, Zigbee transmitter module and Zigbee receiver module. Zigbee receiver module, it should be connected to the USB to UART module. And here set increment decrement button, you can add a number of items onto the different items. EM18 RFID module, so final push button, final switch button, 16 cross to LCD display and Arduino Uno R3 board. So now I'm going to restart the switch. Smart trolley using RFID EM18. Okay, so now I'm going to scan the items. So Good Day biscuit packet item is 0. Now I'm going to increment the item 2, 3, 4. So 4 items, and now I'm going to set. Okay, so total 4 items added, quantity is 60. So Good Day biscuit packet. So now I am going to add Rexona soap. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, then set. So total 7 items added. Now I am going to adding extra item Lux soap 25. So now I am adding 5 items, 5 Lux soap, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I need only 5 quantity, so 5 set. So Lux is also added. So now I am going to add another item dairy milk. Okay, 30 rupees, second, third. So 3 dairy milks added. Okay, so total amount is 410. So now I am pressing the final push button. Okay, yeah, here Lux 125, Lux item bill 125, dairy milk 33 item 90, Rexona so 45 3 items 135, Good Day 15. Okay, so final bill total quantity is 15, total amount is 410. So here total amount is 410. So now I am going to add the item or delete the item. Okay, so now I am going to add. So dairy milk items are 3 already added. Now I am going to decrement it. Okay, then set. Okay, 310. Now I am going to decrement the item Lux 25. So total 5 items are there. Now I am going to decrement. Okay, 3 items set. Okay, and here Rexona soap quantity is 3. So now I am going to decrement to only Rexona 1 soap. Okay, then okay. Okay, now I am going to take last item total 4 items. Okay, so Good Day biscuit packet is 4 now, so I'm going to decrement. I need only 2 quantity. Okay, total amount only, total selected item 7, and press final push button. Yeah, so Lux 3 75 1 1 2 7 items 180 final bill. The Zigbee module, it is connected to the computer and block diagram and hardware module. Yeah, thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.